What up? All right. So I'm back. It's been a while. First of all, let's get some music going. That's important. That is important. Let's connect to my record player. I don't feel like getting up and picking on a different vinyl. Or restarting this one. What was this called? This. Alright, there we go. Times like still not like this. Alright, that's a huge gap up. Alright, so we can go look at some levels. What am I looking for here? 30. Previous day value high. Just see. My fan off, my eyes hurt. PDP low. That's weak. There it is. $9.30. That's that notch too. There we go. Alright, this is probably a quick stream. Just gonna want to talk about where I've been. I was out of town for a while. Down $16.30 on this eval. I was up a little bit. On a winning day that I was up. Or no, I don't know. I traded a bunch. I traded so many times. Yeah, 60 trades. I was kind of just, I was up, then I pretty much lost most of it. So, it is what it is. Pretty much very fresh eval. I mean, it's what it is at this point. But we sold my MacBook for some cash. Most of that cash is gone. Pretty much paid off the trip. We had WPC. The low. Spent all of that. And then bought a direct funded. Had a nice, beautiful trade. I'll see if I can find it. That was Friday. So that was this day. Open was here. Oh, 5 minutes. So we had the 15-minute opening range. High here. It's low here. I'm trying to remember. I don't think it'll show me the execution marks. I took it on my phone. No. Well, it was a short. A beautiful short. I think it was right here. It retested. It was a J Dunn trade, but it retested an area here. Like it was like midpoint, 50% of movement, pretty much. Got in. It's like I think he got in at 40. I got in like 20, 25 or 30. So I was in initially and exited my trade because I was just being scared. Entered in. I had 2 contracts, I believe. Won't tell me yet. Oh, I can see here. Entry price 420. So maybe I'm tripping. 420. I read it wrong. Where did I take that trade from? That's 11. I'm not even looking at the right spot. I'm stupid. Does it show time? That feels like a long time ago. At 9:17 a.m. So it's 10:17 here. So it's here. Like here. I took it off like this. So I entered about, was it 420? Somewhere around here. Held. Got out of one position at like 50 points, then held the runner until I got stopped at like down here. It's like right before it reversed back up. But 2 contracts, $308, beautiful. I have risk limit set 277 for loss, 400 for profit. For 400 on 2 mini or 2 micros is pretty difficult. So I'm thinking maybe upping risk to 3 contracts. We'll see. That's it. We'll close. None of these are close. What the hell? Is it different one? Not really. It's 11. I'm tripping right now. What the hell? We're just gonna do it based off this. Alright, that's right. Alright, we'll go back to 5 minutes. Hit previous week, so what is it? Sunday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday open. That's right here. Sunday open. To Friday close. Friday. Alright, so there's just no value area high difference. A little bit. Alright. I'm not trading on my funded tonight unless I see a good confluence. There's low key. Previous week PLC. What do we got going on right here? Bounce off the VPLC. Let me get this last something marked out. Get this off, go to 1, set chart view. Alright, so low key. How big is it? No, 60 point or 60 ticks. I'll take a couple on this. I want to take only like solid quality setups on that director funded because I cannot afford to lose another one. So, yeah. A rejection off here would be phenomenal. I would really like to see that if this even moves down a little bit, or even if it breaks, I can take a bounce back up to there, which would be 30 points. That would be a solid trade as well. Yeah. I just want to wait a little bit. So yeah, back to where I've been. I was in Branson. Had that eval, I think. I don't remember where I left off. Set an order like right in between these two. Right there, like that. So if price pushes up, it'll move develop a little bit. See what gold's doing right now. Same thing, just kind of chopping around. See if this wants to tag us in here. Probably set stops. Like a 20-point stop. Or is it a 1-to-1? But I don't think it's gonna tag me in. That's a very big opening limit candle. And plus the 375 point move up off open. What if there's some good warnings or something? I wish I said this last either video stream. I wish you could continuously update like how TradeAvate does it. I do not think they've put that in yet. So let's say this might push lower. We could get it. That's off here. I would love to see. I guess I bounce off here. Don't quite know if we'll get that big of a move tonight. That's. I mean, we could. We just see. I mean, we could. It might want us to fill the gap, but we could also not do that tonight. Do that tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday. Gaps get filled like pretty often. Tag me in. Second my edge by limit order. Yeah. That's okay. We'll see. No tags, all I'm asking for. So 12 points right above the developing. So that's 24 times 4, so that'd be $100 pretty much. If we get tagged in there, like 10 points top. That lets me both. You just a little wet. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Alright, so that's crazy. That would piss me off. Oh, I was only for 2. Now we're for 6, so that's lovely. Wrong button. Let's go tap PNC. All I'm asking for you is tap POC. Leave me above POC. Make you feel better. I want it to reverse and stop me out. It's gonna look like I might do that. Sweet. Solid. 117.50. Not financial advice, but that was a good trade. With the double confluence, it's a V setup. And Gimme Capital's eyes. A C setup would be this plus developing profile or a high volume node. Not enough volume yet in this session for there to be a high volume node down here, but that was great. Solid trade. Could probably call that good for tonight, honestly. Then a lockout. Some 5 hours. This one was a lockout too. Yeah, that was a pretty solid trade. Feel good about that. Best of my position sizing. I forgot to change that limit order before. That's fine. It worked out. I'd probably will just hop off the charts for tonight. Honestly, I have no reason to sit here and look at them. This account, it's stupid. I don't know why it even is still active. I can't do anything on it. But yeah, that's a good trade. Realistically, I could probably sit here and just trade this bounce over and over until it finally decides to break structure. But if anything, PLC would probably get moved up to somewhere up here. Definitely move up a little bit. Probably like right in here somewhere. But yeah, that's it for me. If you tuned in, thanks for watching. I'm getting a payout. I'm gonna be very strict on it. I'm thinking about changing this to 250. And I don't need to hit the 400. I'm just taking one trade. And if it's a losing trade, I'm losing 270 or 250 to 75. We'll see. Then so 400 a day is the max you can make with a 20% consistency to get max payouts in 5 days. But don't need to get max payouts in 5 days. I can take 7, 8, 9, 10 if I need to. It's just 400 is my limit, so I have to set there. But yeah, I mean, obviously I'm going to do my best. I'm trying to do better at holding runners. Pretty much just not necessarily. It's hard because I don't necessarily take profit. Kind of just, I'll set one and then I'll just sell 1 or 2 contracts before, and move the full take profit to somewhere, just trail stop loss. So it's more of a trailing stop loss game than a take profit game. But because I'm at work, so it's difficult to sit there and it's kind of difficult. So I'm doing the best of what I got. If I could catch small trades like that in Asia, it'd be great. It'd be awesome. I love that. So we'll see. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, that's all I got for today. Just like Jadon says, discipline over dopamine. DOD. Have a good night, and this is another stream vlog or stream journal. I'm treating this YouTube channel as a big journal for my successes, my failures, a lot of failures, lots of them. But it's also going to be here for my success, for me to go back and look and realize how far I've came. Because it has been almost a year since I started trading. And yeah, I want to get to a point where I'm successful with it. So I can start doing the things I said I'm going to do. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and peace out.